I'm Jeff Salvino with the Daily Salvo. With the Winter Olympics upon us, it's safe to say that on the slopes, an athlete's best friend is their ski poles. And ironically enough, in the sport of politics, candidates and incumbents also rely on polls to help guide them along. Which means that Pennsylvania Governor Tom Corbett, whose poll numbers continue racing downhill, could end up being 2014's version of Vinko Bogataj. To refresh your memory, Vinko Bogataj was the Yugoslavian ski jumper, best known as the guy in the opening montage of ABC's Wide World of Sports, who suffered the agony of defeat. For more, visit dailysalvo.com.